Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Moriah. Yeah, so I finally decided to sit behind the camera or in front of the camera and tell you guys a little bit about myself. This is just gonna be like a 22 facts about me. I came up with the number 22 because I am 22 years old, and that's one of my facts. Anyway, let's keep going with the facts. Let's start. I'm 22 years old. I was born in Guyana. I don't even know. Oh, I have a thing for guys in suits. Like, let me tell you. Ooh, I have a thing for guys in suits. Like, whew. And the way guys smell. Like, okay, we can do that and two. Oh wait, I lost count. I think that was 4. My name. No, I have a big thing on smell. Like, if you smell good, I'm just gonna want to hug you and never let you go. Oh, I eat everything except mushrooms. Everything except mushrooms, because I cannot stand the way that someone explained how it grows when I was younger. Like, disgusting. I'm just gonna give you guys a bunch of facts until I feel like it's 22 at this point. I'm in the military, number 7. 8, I have a big thing for interior design. I love mac and cheese. I think everybody likes mac and cheese, but I have a thing for shrimp. I can't even say it. Shrimp. Yeah, shrimp. Yeah, whatever you want to call this shit. I don't give a damn. Shrimps. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what they say in Guyana. They call it shrimps. Yo, nah, for real. Yeah, because I'm Guyanese. I have this thing. You see, I keep saying I have this thing, like, yo. All right. For real, I'm weird. I'm very weird. And number 11. I said number 10 and 11. Why I feel like I can't count now? I don't eat pork. I never had pork chops before. I love Hershey's cookies and cream. Well, I used to. I haven't had it in so long, but it's okay. I love Hershey though, Hershey chocolate, because I want to launch my own cosmetic line. Well, I am working on it, but I want to be a goddamn billionaire off of mine. I want to be mobile. I want to have hotels. I want to go back to my country and clean it up and make it, kind of, what am I trying to say? I'm thinking. But I do definitely want to go back and help everyone in my country. I don't care. That's just that on that. I got that from my best friend. At Chanel.9. Not the number 9, but 9 spelled out. She's crazy just like me, but it's okay. I'm a makeup artist. I'm single because, I had surgery on my right wrist. And yeah, I'm in a lot of pain, but that's okay. I have one brother and one sister. Oh, I can sing like a man, but I ain't gonna do that here because y'all gonna look at me weird, and I'm not trying to have y'all look at me weird. So I feel like I would get my body done. I wanted to get my nose done, but then that's a part of my face, and I see how people turn out when they get their, face done. They start looking crazy later down the line, and I'm not trying to have that. I'm really not. So I love myself. Like, it's crazy how I got my name Pretty Moriah. Like, that shit is crazy. It's a long story to that, but that's for some other time. So yeah. I like white. Like, no, I love white in a room because it brightens up the room and it looks cute. For my wedding, it has to be, we have to be like, oh my gosh, if I ever get married. As to look at it right now, no. No. But yeah, I like fried chicken. And yeah, I eat a lot of pasta. I live in California now. White guys are cute. So I have a cute name for white guys. They're so cute. But my heart has chocolate. Not even chocolate, because I've never, like, it's crazy, I've never dated a chocolate guy before. They're all freaking light skins and brown. Nothing dark. Maybe I should get a dark hair. I don't have a lot of friends. I am always by myself, or I'm either with one other person. Well, yeah, like one other person if I'm in New York or if I'm in California, and that's it. I don't really have a lot of friends. I'm just always by myself. It's crazy because I actually love being by myself than being with people sometimes, because I like to move with my own timing, and I don't like people to be nagging and stuff, like when I'm at the store or when I'm at the mall. Oh, when we go home, I don't got time for that, bro. I like to explore, live life, breathe. It doesn't matter, like that's why when it comes to me having friends and not having friends, whatever you want to call it, I don't mind. I'll even be with one person, or she just be with a man. That's it. I am literally obsessed with my complexion. I love being so chocolatey. Like, I love it. First, I used to hate my complexion. I hated everything about me. I was like, I hated everything. Because I used to get teased in school for being this dark. And it's weird because my mom is lighter and my dad is dark. So I'm basically in the middle, but I'm still dark skinned, if that makes sense. So I used to hate my complexion, like hate it. Now I see people trying to get tans and shit, and I'm just like, I used to hate that. And my lips, oh my god, man. Now I love my complexion and I love my lips. My nose, this shit be pissing me off because I had a pimple on it and then it turned into so my nose just got big. So I just love everything about myself now. Like, it's weird to explain. But yeah, if you guys want to, you know more stuff about me, just ask the question, because just ask questions. Like, comment it down below or something, or hit me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be in the damn, this wig is itching. If I wasn't filming this video right now, I'll just take this shit off and throw it. But that's besides the point. Yeah. Yeah, that's me. I have nothing interesting about me unless you ask me. And I'm a very secretive person. Yeah. Well, anyways, my Instagram will be in the description box below. My Snapchat, my Twitter, my everything you want to know. What camera I'm using. Oh, I love my parents with all my heart. I love them, love them, love them. I used to work at McDonald's. I used to be like, hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I take your order? But anyways, guys, I am tired and I'm filming this at 12 at night right now. Usually I'm in my bed. I have not slept in like 10 years. So I'm slouching. Thanks for watching, and yeah, talk to you guys later. Tell me what video you guys want to see next. I don't know. But yeah. I keep saying but yeah, but I'm still talking to you guys. You know what? I'm just gonna leave. Goodbye, y'all.